Hi guys, welcome back to Midasu. I'm Tyler and I'm your web design developer. So today we'll go through how you can build a website on WordPress. So the hosting we're using is Hostinger. The first step is once you get your hosting and your domain all set up, you need to install WordPress on your domain. And then it will give you a title. So Midasu. This will be the name of your website. Okay, and then so this will be your WordPress dashboard. In order to actually build out a website, you need a few things. One is a WordPress theme, and then the other one, to make your life easier, a WordPress page builder. So here you can actually come into Appearance, click on Themes, click on Add New, and then you can see mostly, yes, this Astra is a free theme that you can use. Okay, so we install it. Right, and then activate the theme. And then the other thing we need to install is called a page builder. Go to plugins, add new, and then what we'll be using is called Elementor. Okay, once this is installed, you click on activate. You have your plugin, your page builder, which is Elementor, and also your theme, which is Astra. So now go to pages, click on add new page, and then let's say this will be your home page. What you can do is edit with Elementor. This is your WordPress page. This will be your header, like the menu on the top, and this will be the footer, the copyright and stuff like that. You can play around with the elements and then mix and match and actually build our website. You need a page builder, a theme, and then hosting for your WordPress. And then for the rest, it's just up to your design. And yeah, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video.